When you're ready to release your final grades to your students, you'll want to make sure that the eyeball is in the column that you want it to be in. For this example, it is in the final adjusted grade column. If you're using your final calculated grade as the official grade, you're going to want to watch my other video as to how to get the eyeball from one column to the other. But for this example, I'm going to go to the drop-down arrow next to Final Adjusted Grade, and I'm going to select Grade All. Then next to the title, Final Grades at the top of the page, click the drop-down arrow again and select Release All. Click Yes to release all of the students' grades. When you hit Save and Close, you'll go back to the Enter Grades page and you'll notice that the eyeball now looks like it's open, meaning that the students can see the grade. You'll also notice that when you select Grade All, you can just release individual students. If there's maybe just one or two students that you want to release their grade because maybe the others aren't ready yet, and you can do this at any point in the semester, remember, you might click the box next to the student's name and go up to the top and click Release. I don't recommend doing this for your entire class if you want to release them all at once. If there are more students that fit on one page of your screen, they won't all be selected at the same time. That's why when you're doing all the students at once, I do recommend using the final grades at the top with the drop-down arrow and clicking on Release All. Once again, just remember what you're looking for is the open eyeball. Remember that you can click the drop-down arrow next to any student's name and click Preview just to double check that that's what the students are seeing. In this example, the grade is now showing at the top of their page. Thanks for watching.